Hello, how are you? I'm Richard again, over and over again. I'm Richard, I'm from Taiwan, and right now it is 1:40 p.m. here in Taiwan, and today is Thursday. Okay, 大家好，我是 Richard，我来自台湾，今天是礼拜四。OK，现在是下午1:40。OK，大家好，午安 ，Good afternoon，下午好。Okay, today I'm going to talk about why Chinese people. Hello, Nang Nang. It's very nice to see you here. Today I'm going to talk about why Chinese people do not like a clock as a gift. Why do Chinese people not like a clock as a gift? What is a clock? Of course, I'll show you. This is a clock, and I don't like it if you send a clock to me as my birthday gift. I don't like that. Okay? What is a clock? This is a clock. Okay? This is a clock. But if you want to send me this as my gift, I'm so sorry. I don't like it. Seriously. Why? Why Chinese people or Taiwanese people do not like clock if you send it to me as a gift? Why I don't like it? Actually, I like it because a clock wakes me up every morning. I like that. But I don't like it as a gift. Why? Because let me tell you the reason why. And after I tell you the reason why, please don't send a clock as a gift to your Chinese friends. Okay? So let me show you why. Okay? Why Chinese people do not like a clock as a gift. Okay, let me tell you the reason why. First of all, let me teach you the word how to say clock, in Chinese. In Chinese, we say 钟, like this, 钟, okay, 钟. But oftentimes we say 时钟, 时钟. Sometimes we just say 钟. Okay, I'll read that again. Right now I'm talking about the word for clock in Chinese. 钟. Hello, Oscar. Very nice to see you here. 钟, 时钟. Okay, 时钟 is something like this. 时钟, okay? Or something like this, okay? Okay, my friend Nob. Very nice to see you here. 钟 clock. 时钟. Okay, you can use both. Okay, both are correct. They are correct terms for clock. 钟 时钟. Okay, and then why Chinese people do not like a clock as their gift? Why you cannot send a Chinese people a clock as a gift? Because let's see the other word here. 钟. Okay, you can see a different Chinese character here. 钟, but they have the same pronunciation. 钟. And the word 钟 means end or die or even death. 钟 means end, die, death. Okay, so you see clock 钟, die 钟, they have the same pronunciation. So if you send a clock to a Chinese people as their gift, that means you send them a die, a death. Oh, that's not good. That's not serious. That's not good. Okay, also, I'll tell you, and also one very unlucky turn in Chinese, that is 送终. 送终, 送终. Okay, once again, 送终. And let me tell you what is the meaning of the word 送. 送. 送 means give or send, S-E-N-D. 送 means send or give. Okay, 送终 means you give the person a death. So if you send or give your friend a clock, 钟, for Chinese people, that sounds like you want to give your friend a death. Oh, that doesn't sound so good. So please, next time, whenever you want to pick up a gift, a present for your Chinese people, please don't send a clock, because that means you want to send your friend a death, and that is not good. Okay, we have a term also in Chinese, 送终. 送终 means like if your friend is dead and you go to the funeral and you are in the funeral. Oh, that's really unlucky. So please don't send that. That's really unlucky for Chinese people. Okay, so that's the reason why please don't send a clock as a birthday gift or a present to your Chinese friend. Okay, don't do that anymore, because I'll say that again. 钟, clock, 钟, die, death. And 送终 is like be at your friend's funeral, be at the funeral. That's not lucky. That's not lucky at all. And that actually a little bit like you give your friend a death. Ooh, that's not good. Okay, I personally do not like this gift as well, but maybe for a younger generation, they don't really care about that. But seriously, my suggestion is pick up other gift or present for your Chinese friend. Okay, that's my sincere suggestion for you. So right now you learn two words. One is clock, 钟, or 时钟. The second word is 钟, end or die. Ooh, okay, that's not so good. Okay, anyway, that's kind of Chinese tradition or custom. You can learn something about that. Okay, so see you next time. Bye bye. Hello, Luke. Nice to see you and bye bye. 下次见，再见. And generally, it's very nice to see you guys here. Thank you for your support. And okay, so 下次见，再见.